I am so excited to see what's in here. Let's open it up and see. Ooh. So first off, Gina Rodriguez is on the cover of the FabFitFun magazine. She is one of my absolute favorite people, so that is exciting in itself. So here are some of the things I am most excited about. This is the weighted sleep mask. I will tell y'all, I have not been sleeping very well, especially with this whole pandemic thing happening. So I am really going to be using this tonight to see if this actually helps me sleep better. I know a lot of us have not been sleeping well, so I am excited to try this. This is the mystery bag, so it tells you there you get like a mystery choice item, which I just told them to select something to send to me. And this is a hair mask. It looks like it's some type of hair mask. Let's see. Yeah, so it's like a top coat, almost like a conditioner, I think, actually. Not a hair mask, but maybe like a conditioner. So I am excited to try this. I love hair products, so I'm always excited to try new hair products. Another hair product that they sent, which they had in the box this season for spring, is this adorable detangling brush. I am so excited to use this. I think it's going to be so much fun. It's so pretty too. Look at it. It's like a nice gold color. So this item is actually another item that's going to help me sleep good. It's a deep sleep body lotion, multitasking body lotion, and it helps for better nights and brighter mornings. So I am going to use this along with my weighted sleep mask. We're going to see how that works. Hopefully that helps me sleep a little bit better. These are the silicone straws, come in 4 fun colors, and you know that's great because it helps the environment, but I was excited to get these, and actually I think it has like a little cleaner for them and everything. So these are the colors of the silicone straws. How pretty are these for spring and summer? I'm totally loving it. And it did come with a little cleaning brush and a cute little carrying case. So you can actually pack your silicone straws in your little carrying case and carry them with you. How cute. I love this. This is going to be so great for summer. I'm going to open this up and show it to you guys in a second, but this is a like tricolor lip balm. It is so much fun. It's so pretty. I opened it and took a quick peek, but it's so cute. This is a home decor item that they put in the box for spring. And this is actually a like bohemian type of rug. I'm excited because it's black and white and I love black and white. So this is gonna go with my decor perfect. I probably put this in the bedroom. And finally, the item I was most excited about was the CalPak. You guys, they sent CalPak packing cubes. I think there's like 3 in here, maybe. I will have to look, but this is the packing cube that you can use. Yeah, look at that 3-piece set, small, medium, and large. So these are awesome for packing if you are traveling anywhere, even just going somewhere for a quick weekend trip. These are amazing. I have seen a few friends use them and I have not had any, so I'm excited. And look at the cute little like fun fruity theme. So I know they had 2 themes to pick from, but that is the FabFitFun box for spring. And you guys, I will tell you, the spring and summer FabFitFun boxes are the best boxes to get, I feel. I always make sure I am on the list for those 2 seasons, if anything. But you guys can sign up below. I'm gonna put the link and you can sign up if you wanna try it out for summer, and you will get $10 off your first box. So that will be for $39.99 instead of the $49. And you can sign up and get the summer box, which I think is coming out at the end of May, beginning of June. So you can jump on that and pick out some of your favorite items, and then you can also ask for mystery items like I did. So I hope you guys loved it. I cannot wait to be showing you some of these things in my stories so you guys can check out how they are working. I'm excited.